This is how you install Trepanel's flexible wall panels. Prepare the surface by removing floor beads and skirting boards. My first board needs to have a section cut out to go around a socket. Mark this onto your board and cut out the size using a handsaw and a trimming knife. Apply your adhesive to the rear of the board, place it into position and press it down firmly until it grabs. Then you can start to mark and cut the second board to complete the shape around your socket. If you're happy that it fits, apply further adhesive to the back of your board and bond it to the wall. Repeat the process on your full boards until you come to your next socket. On this wall I have a high socket for the TV, which needs to be cut out of the middle of the board using a multi-tool. Trepanel's Flex boards have soft curves and endless possibilities. These tall format flexible wall panels feature a double semicircle slat backed with an ultra thin felt to bend effortlessly around surfaces. To see the full how-to video, head over to our YouTube channel, Mr. and Mrs. DIY.